The first thing we want to do is download the correct version of Plus Editor Pro, open it up and click register. Type in random stuff so we can find the bad boy. Keep the app open in x64 debug. Click open and open up the main executable. Click attach and open up the running app. Now right click anywhere and search for all modules, string references. Type in the bad boy, which is invalid register code. You get taken to where my mouse is. Notice the JE deciding jump right above it. Right click and click assemble. Change the JE to JMP so it always jumps and then click OK. Right click patches and then patch the file. Then I'll save the file and keep the exe at the end of the file name. Then click OK. Now you could open it up. Now it doesn't matter what you type, you could type in nonsense and it will always register.